Okay. We're talking about paper moon. It's only a paper moon in our ongoing class. And we have two measures where we're humming. La 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 la. La 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 la. So taking kind of a vocal solo there. But then I was talking about, well, what if we want to do some kind of ukulele solo? And my first suggestion was to just finger pick the chords. We've got a G, E minor, 7, an A minor, 7, and a D7, an A minor, a D7, and a G. So it would be like this. And I'm just doing anything with my right hand, same chords with the left hand. All the notes are good. Something you can work with. And then the last thing that I was working on was playing block chords. That means notes at the same time. It's a finger picking technique, but I was following the rhythm of the melody, which went da 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 da, like that. So I'm switching gears to go to rhythm, but I'm still making my chords. So it would be like this. And with the drum machine, again. Oh boy, I just threw in strums and block chords, and you got yourself a solo, because it contrasts so strongly with the strum patterns that we're doing. You see, you get these ideas, write them down, record them, and make them your own.